This is after the lemon juice and baking soda experiment. This one had the vinegar. This one had the lemon juice. Right now there is baking soda all at the bottom. And if you can't see right now, the lemon juice and the baking soda turned it yellow. And if you mix up the vinegar and the baking soda, it just turns into like almost like looking like milk, but it's all watery. The baking soda and the lemon juice is actually still pretty soft. And the vinegar is same as well, but it's like bigger chunks, see? And it slides right off your finger. This one, it stays for a while. So I guess that was after the lemon juice and vinegar baking soda experiment. Bye.